Gikiraga caption kari very funny. Giuga, they are as good as my mood. I can't keep my customers waiting. Na dire dead ya Shafashi.
Eitaga chapati mistress.
Na ndajiririe ndu wa thina.
Riu Shafashi ciaku wamenyire kurugira ku kana wamenyire kuruga haha kihiko-ini?
Mbere na thutha na ti kuiganania andu ndai na ciringi 370.
Andika how story. How I started selling chapatis with that 4 chapatis.
It is true. Mundu cio nambire ukakajira ndungipostaga irio ndi wira-ini andu makamenya ndari Shafashi umuthi. And that was the last day I hooked chapati. Just one day.
What is so unique about your cooking?
Irio ciothe njikirite catalog-ini ndapostire mundu akienda kugura. Actually, 99% of my customers are online. Sometimes my chapatis would trend than my personal image. Ona ndatwaragira andu Shafashi makanigo itheru makajani ona ngoda kuona kana ni Shafashi tu pekee wendagia.
How do you deal na andu ametagwo marakobuli kana cyberbullying? How do you deal with cyberbullying?
This logo ndathondekirwo ni mundu wa X. Itari ndona nginya umuthi.
Challenges iria riwe uraface currently ni iriko?
Kenya mawira ni maingi, aruti ni ogutari.
Nini ngeragia kuruga Shafashi muno, ndarugaga Shafashi tene. No ciakwa he andu turonagirwo kidogo, hega kona koraga kidogo.
You are what you eat.
Mundu ndaga ihinda ria kuruga chapo na tondu ire murio cirugagwo. Twacinagira muno.
Kuna over 8 types of chapatis.
Ugakorwo ukire moko matheri. Akorwo ukire moko matheri uthie piu. Akondo uroka na Shafashi.
Jeff Kuria TV, be a champion.
Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo, migate ya moko kana Shafashi iria turiaga ni ikoragwo ire nyingi muno ukiringithania na ngima iria iriagwo. Andu aingi kuria mitani rucine ni marokagira mandathi, makarokera Shafashi, makarokera keki na donuts na indo ingi ta icio. Hihi wira uyu wa Shafashi no utuike ni wira hari muiritu jamanitie nake na ithuothe ni tumwe akoragwo kuria mitambo-ini kana mutambo-ini wa X etaga chapati mistress na wira wake ni kuruga Shafashi, arugaga thabutha na ni akoragwo kuria mutambo-ini wa X na njira nene muno. Hihi akinyire kurugaga Shafashi niki? Na Shafashi to kuruga Shafashi, hari andu marugaga ikoragwo ihana triangle, hari marugaga ikoragwo ihana oval, na hari marugaga ikoragwo cie nyumu piu tondu amekiraga Digutinda ngenda kumatariria muno no aria mekiraga andu aranene fiu matihotaga kuruga icio. Niki iki gitumaga aruge Shafashi ikeyunura chapati mistress?
Yes.
Kwero atia?
Trinauru.
Yes. Ndukire ho wega?
Fiu.
Tora kiruta.
Madirauruta. Madirarugira andu.
Thegia chapati mistress ritwa riaku ni ririko?
Mukami wa Watahi.
Mukami wa Watahi. Ucio ni wa Nyeri. Nwako?
Metumi Muranga.
We wa Metumi?
Eni.
Muranga ko? Kagima?
Mathioya.
Mathioya. Riu ri karogana kanini gakwigie ka Mukami. No.
Mukami ni mutumia. Uruga Shafashi, ugo ni mujue. No de sister de mwana wa irigithathi wa Watahi. Koguo de ni sister da de murata waingi. Yes.
Riu tatwire atiriri turakumenyire mitambo-ini ya ukinyaniria ukiruga Shafashi no kiita chapati mistress.
Yes.
Hi tatwire karogano gaka ka Mukami kaumite hakana wambere kuruga Shafashi ri?
Ndajiririe 2019 na ndajiririe ndu wa thina. Njiraga ndu kaingi mathina ma mundu nimo mamukiragia, nimo mamuhangagia. Na ndieciritie nguruta wira wa Shafashi utuike tari guo livelihood yakwa. No ni ndari kihiko-ini. Kihiko kiari ta kia miaka 7 uguo. Na 2019 nirio maundu mathukire. Na nijaragia na ngera andu gitumi kiria yatumire heane rugano rwakwa ni undu ni njui ndieciragia hindi iyo kuri no rukorwo ru impactful. No ningenagira Ngai tondu hindi ria wiciragia no akinya mwisho hindi iyo nirio Ngai nake anjagiriria wira tondu ngeciria Shafashi ndanjire guciruga na igituika kindu kinene uguo giatuikire kinene na ingiarugaga ona ndi ku ndi muhiku. No riria twatigania to ndari housewife ndiari na wira ngiekire na ni ndatindaga no ndumaga uguo ugokira muthenya umwe kuga ni wathie ni ndakoretwo ngeciria ingiuma guku hihi niki ingika tondu ngiri na twana twakwa.
Yes.
twiri na hindi yo kwanza karia kanini kari kanini muno kari kanini ngeciria ndeciragia tondu ndaikara Kayole na ndonaga andu uguo uga makiruga mandathi shafashi ni ndeciritie tu ngiuga ingiona handu tu njige iburi na njiko tondu andu amika Kayole ni moyo uguo niguo muno rucini kurugagwo ndeciritie uguo niguo ingiambiriria ni toikarire thi njugaga ngiuma tutiahitanirie ngihurwo ngundi na mateke no tondu wa kuona ni turemanitwo fiu ni tweranire riu hatiri bata wa tuikarani na ni ndirikanaga na ngithama niwe wabangagira indo mkokoteni-ini akijikagira
tuguthama na Mercedes oguthama na Mercedes Benz ya mkokoteni baraboja
ni abangire indo na ni kuuraga ndirikanaga na kaundu kau ni njiragwo uguo anyumagaririe Ngai ni onire
akurire githie riu ngwage
ona ni ndirikanaga
ndogiai
ndoi kuira tondu ndoi Gikuyu muno ni Mugikuyu no aria marereirwo Nairobi no ni ndirikanaga anjikirira indo mkokoteni-ini agicoka akiambata balcony-ini akionaga mitungi ni atigwo na mingi
tondu na mitungi moyo na tangirinya
Kayole gutire mai
tangirinya na magana matwende ma 25
mitungi ni tayo mitungi ni ono ngioria ndo bakwire mitungi Kayole by the on balcony nyumba niyo koragwo egemetie balcony
tajira atiriri giki gitumaga thini tukare ati ugakona mitungi mingi nginya ukirambia
kwendo theru
kana kwaga mai
ni kwaga mai koguo no nginya ukona storage ngwiciria Kayole andu ni nyumba nini kona no offense ikona mai ma throughout ni mokaga no nginya mutahirire nigetha thiku iria matari kuo magagwika atia so that's why
rigo mu husband akiona ni atigwo na mitungi 2000
ona ndahanaga ta ndathama na mitungi mitheri tondu ndiakire na indo cia nyumba nyingi no ni twaririe na Ngai amurathime tuneheire indo cia riko na ni aheire ka gas no end goal yakwa yari ndendaga mwaki na indo ingiruga nacio ndo ndakimenyaga to ndirikana ona akijira ingigathi ndikanararire eho na ndeciritie uguo niguo guguthie no to ndatuite itua ngwiciria ni onire ona ni ndiari na itheru koguo na ona mutu ndari ahe no sawa na ni ndikire ndakinya handu ngumuhoya
rigu ugithama
na ndiathamire haraihu tondu toikaraga handu hetao Kayole Hospital ndathamire thoko-ini kanyumba kau ndathamire kari ka 1 bedroom na ndoire 1 bedroom na witikio ndiari na besha Jeff no niwe no waheire bia arata twathomaga nao primary tondu oguo ndakwira it was a culmination of events ni monaga sometimes I would write in that persona no makona ai kai tukamugetagwo Diana na ni ndikagwetaga hingo ciothe gakini inbox gakijira drone kawisawa na tuonanite tene muno but gakijira he handu turoka no uke na ndajirite ni marenda kwariria no uke umoja handu turoka Saturday flani ngithie unajua ukipewa chance ya kuitorora that's when I realized I was broken todo mathikiriria ni mamakire muno number 1 todo ndiari mundu mukigu cukuru and they knew me as somebody who would have made it you know in life and they knew also ni twate aciari itu ni muciari wakwa ni akuire so they wondered what happened so they really were curious na Ngai amarathime tondu maheire option makijira menda kuguria laptop jike freelancing because they thought online writing no na nini ndendaga kindu kira generate besha instant
Ngai ni age ndakengure rutha ici ndungire biashara AI ri
tije ndoketie wira biu tigo itete mutu makijira no na ni ndeciragia from a point of daily source of income gimera mugithamia because the only hindrance or hurdle yani kira ndonaga gikirito ni guthama gimera mugihe besha cia guthama I'll take it from there na ni mashaganire makihe besha na besha cio maheire ni ingiatuire thijikare single no ajuri kiuria very important no na ni ndaroraga ndirenda handu hena riko ndirugagira koguo ndathi nyumba sitting room ndiari kindu na ndiari hete nyumba let me tell you hede mone Ngai ni ugaga rathima mundu kuringana na haria umwihokeire so twathi nyumba yo ngibanga indo twathamire Friday githfanga indo Saturday ni oda it hit me after kuriha rent na deposit bere na thutha na tikuiganania andu ndai na ciringi 370 na riu ni ndeciririe rucio ni ngari yo nyumba no and the day after tomorrow so hau niho ndathire brother yako na tujaikite ngira brother yako tonto thamia na ka brother gakwa kanini gukite kunjerera koguo ngithama tugitigana mundu ucio twari na brother yako na twana twakwa ngimwira ndorera twana thie ndore mutu na maguta Saturday afternoon I'll never forget ngithi ngigura mutu umwe na maguta ma guthima kayo ni kwendagio maguta ma guthima
ma yellow
ma salad yes ni mathimagwo ngioka ngiruga cabaci tondu ndakuite tu indo turia tutigarite no na irio iria ciatigarite ndai na kamutu kari ho ga chapo ru ndatukania ndaruga cabaci 34 ngicikira dish na thaa cia ranji ni ciahetukite ngikuruka hau thi broti wega ndathamire ari faraine thi kwari na thoko na kwari na bushiri ngethi hau bushiri ni ngira ndo ciondirendia cabaci na matinjui makijuria kuregire kurehe mathaa maranji niki
tondu marire
ngimera gura-ini mukunywa na cai wa thaa 10 na ndamendagiria 15 bob na makigura gicoka ngeria tumia mari hau wa thoko makigura ngihok cabaci no ngithi mali duka-ini ngiari hau muthuri ucio akinjuria atiriri warega kuruga cabaci cia marenge niki he mutumia twendagiri cia marenge akirora dish akiona atigete na cabaci ta 15 akihura thimu muci akinjira reke ngugure ici ciothe no ambire akinjira ni ugutuhea gucama kimaka tondu riu
urakende mundu urakenda we kuhijiria
na stock na dire na mbeca
ni mundu ureke na mbia
riu ngikorwo na conflict no tamaka ngimahe cabaci makienyurana no aria tondu ciari soft nirio ahurire thimu muci akiuga andu maruge stew ni egukana kindu gia kurianiria akigura ciothe
thata hone ciathira
cigithira arafu mundu ari hau neighbor akiigua akindiha akinjira thio ndugire 10
cabaci 44
riu ngiuma nyumba kiria ndekete
andika house story how I started selling chapatis with that 4 chapatis
it is true mutumia ucio ari hau next day akioda cabaci no ngiuma nyumba ni ndigano ni gukugwetera ndahuria cabaci cibisha na ngipost X ndio ndari Twitter ngipost na ngikira caption kari very funny ngiuga there is good as my mood I can't keep my customers waiting na dire ndendia cabaci
at
there is good as my mood I can't keep my customers waiting do you know up to date post your one of the posts that have gone viral ciakwa and back in the day go corona retweets gritha to na likes over that was a lot so that Saturday no go muthenyo ra ndahukire cabaci Jeff ngigiro go muci ngicoka tondu indo ndikara tumagira bundles cia Airtel ngikora andu manjuritie unuzia ngapi zi chapati kona hoteli tukuje riu hau niho ndajirie kuoya order online and that was the last day I hooked chapati just one day Sunday ngioya order ithatu imwe yari ya Kasarani na igiri ciari cia Wayakiwe no ndiamenya gora delivaga ngiona ndo ya online ndigimederi 15 in fact he mundu akomentira akiuria atiriri kwani chapati za 15 zinakaa hivi ungo unapewa nyinyi mnapenda vitu cheap ngiona yenyewe by then kama zinakaa poa wacha niwaambie ni 20 so ngitwarira customer show dama twari na 20
okire moko matheri akorwo okire moko matheri uthie akondo noka na cabaci interview no yathira akondo na cabaci uthie piu
mande ndagikwirire ngorago off
o muthu nduruga cabaci simukona ungapa na kukona
ni kuri riko
guko ni kuri ginya kai gas
nice no mwina rolling pin
to ndukurugiro haha metha-ini ino kiri metha njega ya kuruga cabaci anyway at that day nduri wendi cabaci hindi ingi
sijawai
online ati guthiukiraga
na rugano rwakwa ruria in fact all this time ona hideo doka dadi ku gatheti-ini all this time andu moragia majitaga ule demo earphones tondu mamenyerete daumaga
by the way
geta safe border hido ni safe border makona dathi na nduthi so I was always na ni ndathirikagiriria directions ndekiraga maps ru nikio ndendaga earphones itikaja bithi dathi ngerago you have reached you have here
riu tanjira atiriri riu cabaci ciaku wamenyire kurugira ku kana wamenyire kuruga haha kihiko-ini
tondu makani ndarugaga Jeff
reke ngwe ni ironekana cina citira tihana ta cabaci citurugagirwo guku icingi ni kihiko-ini wamenyire kana wamenyete kuruga mbere yo
ndiri githathi na no ni kairetu mami witu akwire ndi na miaka 16
pole sana
she loved cooking a lot na ni ari mwini no ndakinite studio no kotha ici agere na album kadha niendete muno
kuina kwa nyuka gatanga ongeithirie wa sabasi
niendete mutumia ucio ari very artistic creative koguo ta imagine daumire arite shafashi ndimurugire ndari those parents wenye ni ndaikara nake hau no ndiumire ndina opportunity ya kumurugira shafashi.
Okay.
So not juge most of my skills I borrowed from her through kuona but not first guthomithio ni mundu.
Asha.
But I've also have an interest in cooking all through. Kana nigitheri, kana niki, I just like do good food.
Yes.
Deke iko ni ndarugaga. And one of the wrangles we had, hega page getago Kenyans, what iya cook something. Inakuanga
to assume ni Kenya cook curry restaurants.
Iko na jina mbona naisahau.
Okay.
Iko Facebook. It's a very popular group. Actually ni group. Let's cook Kenyan meals.
Let's cook Kenyan meals.
Yes.
Okay.
Page yo nitwa postaga. It's not about professionalism. Kana nigitheri watherukia, kana ni marenge, kana ni miaga. You just post and imeleta watu pamoja. I used to post my food. Mundu cio nabire uka akajira ndogi postaga irio ndiwira ina ndumakamya ndare shafashi umuthi.
Yeah.
So one of the differences, and it's very important sometimes, you see that which you don't like about a partner inaweza kuwa deal breaker. And it was nothing. Ni digoshi ya hado de posti inappropriately irio. Tamaka
ogage posti irio gashoko ka posti irio akiraka.
Never. In fact, page yo kora very decent because ni page admins moderators. It's a very decent page.
Yes.
No udusho do amukenagia. That one I can say for sure. But it also used to ona diarugaga atirio, you know, wow, how hena chefs marugaga irio jaga muno. But that's where my journey go post irio. Ona Twitter igethi way back ne da postaga to irio once in a while. So sina mtu amenifunza, I learned from the kitchen na deke iko ini dari. Me, I was that kind of a person wirago no homemaking twirago mutumia wagiatwana kuhari ni muthuri kuruga
uri no handa igiri.
Don't know, in fact I kept wondering kana the way to a man's heart is through the stomach. No nima.
Uri wa handa igiri. Nada mukamanya handa cia thuri. Riu ri no waruga no wahoku shabashi muthenya wa mbere.
Yeah.
Then waigira X na wambiriria kwendia. Riu thaici no acokire ugigraduate rugaga shabashi rugaga samosas
and every other food. No kubake ita bakagi.
Aye.
And I bake for home use. Anytime I get post keki megate. People ask, irio cio thajikirite catalog ine da postire mundu akienda kugura. Najiambia kwa nini nisieke kwa catalog. That is how catalog yangu iko na more than 27 items. Yes.
Question. What is so unique about your cooking? What is so unique? Todoga dothomeire.
Yes.
No kwenda kuruga.
Yes.
No kahe customers akumagakena. What is so unique about kana niki iki wekire gituma ru twike what you are today because you are big deal Korea X nenyonaga.
I feel aesthetically there are people who used to doubt
Isaac.
Aesthetic.
Atekio kiwa getagwo?
Yes.
Very good.
You know, na nijiraga adu hata kama najita chapati mistress, it does not mean I'm the best of the best.
Okay.
It's the fact that consistently watu wamekuja wakiona I actually get better. You see shafashi short trend ile igeshiga alongside ile darugo mothe, you won't believe it. I think God alitumia tu your post kuni put out there. So I'm a perfectionist in nature. I'm one person fagaga tu idoka odo and people used to think ishi doiti dodeke timoko even the way I roll chapatis. So I feel like there is a part of it that has to do with aesthetics, perfectionist, and people were intrigued. Na mtu akifanya kazi unataka kujua nikikira tuma. So that one used to intrigue ado muno. But also there is this point of dara nire nado. Irio to irio. Na dukanoni mundu ati gikombe gia kahwa Java kina goro, urega kunywa kiria kale ga 10 There's something about quality. Quality is paramount. And it has taught me a lot.
Yes.
Na nikijira ado itini nagira nyeki ona kugigoka ado aiga na thutha wakwa tondu kuri andu fiu moka makoga you mentored no atumire ngiajiriria kuruga shafashi. Make people want to always have a reason.
Yes.
Ati ona shafashi yako gigo haho na tamerite wanajua eno ni a chapati mistress. So quality, I would say quality.
Okay. Shafashi ire Ndiguci ari kundu gutarugagwo cabaci.
Exactly.
Gutire. Taru kumita-ini yo wagweta ya Eastlands.
Muno kwanza.
Kuma rucini 6 ginya thiu thaa cigana.
Like round the clock. Yes.
Riu guku online ri uguthondeka
customer ate.
Kana uguthondeka ukurugira customer aigana.
Actually 99% of my customers are online. That's another thing. Kila mundu every now and then tuiragwo about influence. Hakuna shida kufungua social media account. Ureka atia nayo. It doesn't matter kana wena do 10 maragufollow kana do 10,000. There is something called influence. Nidali very moved. And I saw an untapped opportunity. I'm sure nati kwegana digweciria andu ni mangecirie no wendie cabaci online na iguru. And I am very proud to know that I said something na watu wakaichukulia.
Yes.
So customer kwa mokaga through, at first it was through kupost. Na ndire ndatiga kupost yo no muthi. Nijiraga do be consistent. Duka nogewe post tu. Duka assume mundu rakugurire ira ni aronire umuthi reke njikare. No, you cannot rest. Because you have already started creating a niche yenye watu wanajua wanakuidentify na chapati. Or in fact onogire tu ido ige post ke dogitari ona goro horete bisha jegatia. Sometimes my chapatis would trend than my personal image. Na hiyo inakwambia audience wako drawn to your product, not to you as a person. So for me, at first it used to be customer dage anu do ago post, then referrals. Todo mundu aria uko kana next ni wonete. In as much as there is the negative and the positive. Sometimes the fact that mundu ni agura kindu no kona ni kiega anafanya mtu mwingine atake kuonja. And then niko rikaudwa kama ukaga group of schools chapati. Nuni nyonaga ta onado nimedaga kama naweza afford chapati mistress. Kidogo nimemake it.
Hari undu ngwendaga twarie. Ukiambiriria we itaga atia? Tondu
Jackie Davis. Very interesting.
Tondu chapati mistress ni brand ukite ugathondeka thutha.
I had to.
No nyende urore kana turore andu acio a online. He chapati mistress, he chef chikoni, uguo he na andu aingine uguo oretwo magikiruga kuria online. Weitaga atire Davis.
Marito funny.
Weitaga
Jackie Davis.
Jackie niwe.
Davis ona no.
Davis ale.
Ngikora ri. Mami tore dioe. No nie ono igiguhana andu itu no uge andu itu the neiro.
Ikai.
Kogo ndari niega, in fact I really admire.
Ndio weka we wako.
Ide wako. De wako fio na andu itu shusho. Niwe wetagwo mukami. No na when as you grow you become very inquisitive. And okire gimenya fafa. And because I didn't have his name growing up. Kidogo na detagwo Davis ajirie de V or something. Nikasema at least igeto wanafahamia Twitter tena area. Watu wako naingia hapo juu ya anything substantial pretty much. Ngiona diko itarito obvious. So it was catchy but even though nilikuwa najiita.
How did you change kuma kore Davis?
Dekire
Jackie Davis ginya chapati mistress. And why chapati mistress?
Hata sahi najulizanga why mistress. Chapati ya one day
kawari mistress wa mundu munene
at all. Never. Never, not now, not ever.
No. Do you know kodia?
So I understand because I don't know why mistress. And I remember diali mo tukirire ugo githungu kidogo na opposite ya master.
Mistress.
It is mistress. And ugira definition ya mistress tike obvious ya kuigwo. The other one is a woman who has mastered a craft actually. So instead of kujita chapati master, I felt like let's give it a feminine touch. So mistress. Na dash it was very also catchy. So watu wako like customer mwingine nilipelekea hata nakaniambia maybe doe no dukana shejiri to areu. It's a very of course it's a bit
feminine kind of.
Unanda twaраgira andu cabaci makani go itheru makajani ona ngoda kuona kana ni cabaci tu pekee wendagia.
Otorobana cia kido kige chapati giora kiendia munene.
But it's been chapati mistress. It's registered. It's a registered business. And I couldn't have chosen a better name.
Question. Cabaci ici wendagia kana ici wendagia online ni amaguraga muno tondu tariu guku twina mwanake wetagwo Kahea. Kahea arete cabaci nini riu piu ri. Areaga 5. Riu iria nini.
Aikarite thi atarugamite.
Atarite riu are na gitoero riu ataite na gitoero. Areaga na cigana. 5. Agacoka kinuka karia cigana 2 na agakua 2. Uguo na ne iria rimwe. Nena miaka 19.
Naona nikio minimum order quantity yako ikoragwo iri cabaci 10. Ni joy
10.
Yes, ndungigura cabaci less than 10 na no akiona andu ta Kahea ni ndimacungire maslahi tondu ne atigwo na ta 3 uguo cia kurokera.
Ini. Kahea ri. Kahea kamutu karia kanini ri.
Ni gutharia ika.
Muthenya umwe.
Kato mikorogo ko ndakiruga cabaci.
Ekura cabaci. Ekura cabaci cio na hwaini auge ati are cabaci 10 ararire.
Danaria ni ararira muthenya ucio.
So who are your customers really? Is it men? Is it women? Is it families?
I'm very, very humbled because women support me big time. One thing adu matoe, cabaci titagitheri, titakeki. You know, keki ni uiga oven na wikarethi. So it's time consuming kuruga cabaci njega. Cabaci ni endaga ukinyiririku.
Yes.
Nigethe korwo i soft. Na dible magadora ona makiruga cabaci hana
koma
thani.
Yes.
You know? Cabaci ni endaga a lot of preparation, intention, na patience. Na atumia aria maguragira, even if I look at my analytics, my customers are, even viewers wa content yangu inakwanga 50-50. Kogo digiuga ni athuri, kana othe ni maguragira.
Yes.
Unaweza fikiria maybe bachelors, tondu mati nadu akumarugira. No. Women support me big time because wanaonanga, I'm selling them convenience.
Yes.
And I'm selling them something good. So it's both men and women.
Okay. So rino wambiriria nwauma kwa Jackie Davis.
Yes.
Wa Chapati Mistress. Maundu maya ma uhoro wigi branding na ko brand ya kana gukorwo ki brand uta brand na gukinyukia ikinya riu ringiri ona ku maundu ma pricing ri na mama waranire atia kana ni mundu wa kunyitire guko kana you've learned through the job?
I learn on the job every single day. Do you know na ni nyenda gucokeria andu ngatho muno na ni ngugwito na ibuku nge launch cookbook yakwa. This logo ndathondekeirwo ni mundu wa X itari ndona nginya umuthi. And it was out of the fact that I started now doing, you know, the urada pakaga ginyire shako, it was looking so professional. And people suggested tuguthodekere website, tuguthodekere, and they were sending me all kinds of logos. And through suggestions, not ati mtu alikuja sasa akasema nataka kutembea na wewe, I would read suggestions. Even the person who said trademark your name because this is something.
Yes, that one I saw.
Yes. So all this I was speaking from comments. People would DM me with suggestion. I'm like, onoko dikuo yo there. Kaundu kauga no kadeithie.
Yeah.
So dagia logo eno niro dajire. In fact, I changed everything. I think on a TikTok page yakwa sio the ino neko profile photo.
Yeah.
Because in as much as you would want to use your personal image, let people identify with your brand.
Yes.
So branding ya birie go take serious, go register biashara as a business name and as a business.
Yes.
And then I started now incorporating it in my packaging. And hiyo ndio watu wanaona at least unakaa mtu, even when they're approaching you, they don't just batiukaga uguo na hare ndonyona makiuga ici nicio cabaci murenda mwenderio twendi nona nginya uria iroho. So that whole package just gives people the sense of seriousness. Makona you're not just waking ukamaruganirio ukaneana.
Yes. Wauga kuma kuruga cabaci, your catalog in other dishes.
Yes.
Yashigana?
Cumulatively 27.
27.
But sasa hapo kuna over 8 types of chapatis. Toduru gajiria daruga cabaci cia hoti.
8 chapatis.
8 types.
Kai gukorwo na cabaci ingitigo ire turi menyerete kuria cia white.
Nyingi.
Na cia barenge.
Nyingi tu.
Na cia karoti.
Na cia nyama.
Cabaci cia nyama wale tugugithio kienagia ta ngari
Icio ciokaga ndonire ndo na ni citumite online X. Muthenya beda shi post ona nduta etago muthuri uto David D.
David D.
Tweetire na giciaririra muno.
Na
magicira niwe yes. Cia nyama. Ni mamakire muno. But what they don't know is that every single item I have there, ugigokera ukore ngiruga TikTok, umenye tondu ndutaga na pre-order ni mundu igire odeo. So just give people options. Gajiri cia marenge tondu twana twendete indo sweet.
Ĩĩ.
They want, you know, cia nyama, cia beetroot, cia marenge nicio cia dania, cia karati, cia ghee, cia butter, na cia garlic and onion. Yes.
Icio waruga undu regokirorerwo muno cia garlic. No cia nyama cio ndenda kurora. Irarugwo ate irarugwo wega igacoka igakunjwo na nyama kana kurathia atia.
Yes. Uruga nyama. And that is where now the flavor will come from.
Okay.
Na nikiandu majuragia nduboeka ukiruga shafashi ni ngiruga shafashi dire ni ndea muno. Because just when you think umeboeka na kusikia chapati za hata nikianza kupika za nyama, it's barbecue everywhere. So there is that aroma. It varies. So urugaga nyama, if you want it spicy, if you want it flavorful, if you want it just plain, you have to pre-cook the meat, the minced meat.
Yes.
Riu gikoja aria monaga uria gojaga, that's where you now put meat and fold. Andu ni kiuria kiega muno tondu kuri andu meciragia ukimanagiria nyama njithi na mutu.
Kana hiyo kamba ugatherukia thufu wa nyama,
Yeah,
ugakanda na guo nyama riu warea ukaigua shafashi iranunga nyama. Hata kurore nguira guku kiruka ndari shafashi theri we nacio.
I know.
Ugo kwina shafashi mithemba 8. Uwe.
Arafu mikimo tondu ndikire wa witu nituria tumikimo muno. And so he mikimo, he stews, beef, chicken, diruga broiler, duga kienyeji, and then hena spring rolls, samosas, sweet mandazis, half cakes, soft ngumus. Tira cia gukura mundu magego.
Etagwo kitore ya KDF. Shuka ta shu muthuri cio turare. Icio turi ya mundu agokira thithe ta ngari. No nawe.
Tissue.
Onywe mai ta inyanya.
Tissue. Tissue. These are really soft. Very kids friendly. And pilau, something that people have really come to love.
Yes.
I have stews za watu wenye ni vegetarians. I do vegetable stews, vegetable spring rolls, samosas.
Yes.
Yes.
Kiuria riu ri wambiririe we wika. Kambuni ni ukuritie no ya chapati mistress. Riu wina andu aigana kana we urugaga we wika when solo.
Kenya mawira ni maige. Aruti ni ogutare. There's a time I had an outlet.
What do you mean? Atugutie na aruti wira makiwa gutire.
Passion.
No, passion. Yeah, yes, by the way, passion. Yes.
Ni ngiruga kwi mundu okaga TikTok akauga ungiona mundu raruga uyu uguo. Uyu ahikitio ni mundu pua. Ati atumia matiagire kunogo.
Ono noga muno kiruga.
Not kuroga because they associate shafashi kuruga na tediousness, which is true, which is very true. Unaona ile kazi yenye there is something, kuna advantage za kukua online na kuna disadvantage. There is quality. Jeff igetweka dira turoro ndo wa shafashi, it would be very bad because it means Kenya una post si Kenya customer napata. I have people who help me, but at the end of the day quality assurance is all up to me.
Yes.
So they don't also the fact that they online si kila mtu anataka kuwa exposed kwa online. Kuri aria mugiona YouTube postete kadhaa,
yes.
But I work with people if need be. Yeah. Other than that, I've had people come and give up. Na higosho the gadi kandre dadu kuruga. Kila mtu asemanga nini juu kuruga shafashi. Lakini wakikuja kwa ground
vitu tofauti.
Wanasema hapana. Standard ni ngumu.
Aigire mwaki ukoro hiuheta kuhiuha.
Maugire hemu kairitu gokira kijira. Mimi niko afikia ni zile chapati chapanisha.
Hizo ni gani?
Ona ni diashiwe. Gusha ni reshiga giropani ni afu magashi stretch.
Yeah. Why?
You don't do that.
Ni twarwo kahora.
That's very disrespectful. Chapati
ipewe heshima yake.
Exactly.
No niguo andu maciagire gitio cirugaga ginya na mikira ya barabara. Wakora shafashi kirugo mikira ya barabara.
Shafashi nogu. Unaona shafashi nogu?
Igakija hau inogeta ta tiri. Igacoka igaikara.
Nini ngoragwo na.
Igaikara igitaragwo.
Exactly. Tatrata bitso.
Ariyo cia kuria. By the way, for the longest ni didaria riri chapati itawateno yekiragwo
smocha.
Didaria.
Ni ukuremo.
No ndirarire riu imwe.
Uraire ciao.
Ndirarire cia mundu ungi.
He mundu jareta kendia. Twiragwo ni twendagiria ndu shafashi gono shafashi smocha yake ni njega.
Ndirarire ndaigua kiundu kiega ta ndaigua.
It's very nice.
I've never eaten.
Ithe turashita smocha. Ugandans have Rolex.
No Tanzania ri twathi na mwanake ukoragwo kwitagwo Amos ri twariaga shabashi kuma ruga shabashi na
matumbĩ yes
reke ngwire mwikirite ukaigua wega muno riu kiuria ni kira giguka hane riri wauga mawira mekuo muno andu ni matuikire very sensitive tondu uchumi nwa hagukire andu magituika ni mari yanga sitagwa irritable bowel syndrome andu magitika kuriaga na ku farafara uguo so challenges iria riwe ura face currently ni iriko
igiuga sana at the moment I would just say the cost of life Kenyans mundu ne kwenda kuria tu irio twega no ithabu ritiraingirana however I also feel like taru hende rekejeri hende ndai na outlet ndakahingurite tondu ni fundithagia andu and because ndajirie ndi mucidi ngirehe kila mundu mucidi na twana to protect so ngiona hau ni hega andu ni maruka kuoya just in case mundu nenda gwika pick up na okoro mundu nenda gufundithio niho ndafundithagiria andu
yes
in fact the same people from online especially X ni matumire jige tuti tondu ni mokaga muno makauma nginya Kilimani magoka down home ko just to support my business
yes
but I feel like the government nira feel adwethi ona dumena ideas tondu ndirikana ngihingura ka outlet kauna kari okarumuta gaka license ciihurite so you can imagine mundu tari na ngiri 40 ndungianjiriria wira ona uri na kioneki so for me I would say I felt like thirikari neo yari challenge tondu na ndina certification no ndanyitagwo ni kanju in fact ndahingire hau ona certificate cia kwaita because at the end of the day 99% of my orders share online and also tondu diari strategically positioned dali na kondo thutha diashiritie andu ni mekuyuki ugo mayukirie so I felt like it wasn't serving much purpose it was like a liability I just let it go gishoka nyumba bara gioya nyumba different ya kurugagira for some time so challenge moja na kuanga dio ka theshi ni integrated of course cost of living I wouldn't say uhoro wa bowel whatever wameta
irritable
bowel
syndrome itago IBS
yes I somewhat feel like that has to do with hygiene na nigenagira ngai tondu miake wetada tondugite ndire ndakona mundu complainite about kuria aka because I also number one thing I let people let me know how they like their chapatis that's why tagline yangu inakuanga your home for customized chapatis you don't get that everywhere
yes
you allow people to tell you dia maguta maya dire maya jikira shukari na shube diekiraga I let you tell me even though majority of people are comfortable with what I use kuri aria mauga nginyo marugire na canola oil kuri ame ukwiro nio matumire ndugage na ghee so accommodate them so that they feel somebody is willing to go that extra mile
olive oil
yes especially do mithagia tukiruga diaspora no iguko olive oil tuonaga ni expensive
maguta ma olive re
riu acio ni maruga na muno
thi maguta kura tuguraga he maguta tuguraga ma eroi
makatoni kare maria menyuranagwo
tucokagiria ngai ngatho bro tondu twagura katoni ri cagi gothe gitu ni tugutinania
gakweta
na shabashi cia maguta macio cinjega ma
ni motwarerirwo namo I found out that people in Nairobi ama urban areas matiendete maguta mao ona ka boiru matitumagira
class ndu twagitongire ri na ndu
matigiria mau gucio na ciana nyingi ngira mauda no imake
gai
mamona matire mona ona gucia ciana cia kuingire
aiko matire mehaka maguta ma ngarango aya ri ukihaka maguta ma ngarango guo gathi ukiubagirirwo ni ati ndu bangimeja
okay nugaga nyama choma
andu kindurite
I know
riu ri hari na kaundu kangi keyumiritie kuria X gutuikaga no nginya ukorwo wina thick skin kana ngothi yaku ikorwo yumite umitie rua ni nyonaga uguo kidogo andu magi troll
yes
tondu gutuikaga duka ni gukingirwo kigagiro kana niguo gutuikaga ati wi feminist duka ni rona horo cio
that's funny very funny
mo feminist kana mo independent woman how do you deal na ndo ametagwo marakobuli kana cyberbullying how do you deal with cyberbullying
ndikoda kuhenania ndariraga ngauma bubbles
ai
ndariraga muno 2020 I used to cry ginya ringi ngukimite mutungatigana naguo
kaboka
tukarira wanda gabagarira gashoka ngarigo why because and it was very naive of me to think oria wa yukio ni andu everybody will like you maybe a part of feminism, I don't even know how it's coming. Tondu de mundu mwe ono koroni ndari muhiku na kihiko kiu githira. Ndigagirira athuri na ndieraga iretu matikahike na ndieraga iretu athuri tia bata tondu njira andu ndiageretie athuri othe.
Wagiririo mwe.
So ndigema judge. And I always kabisa fio na tigwetu na tikweyugithia tondu ndi haha all through. Dire ndakoro ndi wa movement ira yugaga okay, what a man can do. Of course, what a man can do, a woman
men
can.
Are DOGs.
That is what I didn't want to say. Nejugaga, who gave you that mandate? Nani alikutuma ukawa sample? In fact, niye nejiraga ado. Because it's okay to be empowered, but to be honest, if we can be very honest, I don't find it bad with what I'm a mom to a daughter and a son, and raising them. And I think raising them has really taught me something. Number one, you're raising another mini you. You can either, and I pray my daughter doesn't. In fact, on a nidao tegida kumwitari tuare ya gikoyo. I just said, dikweda kwe maudu maigita genda mwana wako agerere. So I don't think I'm really a feminist in a bad way. Maybe from the point of maybe intimidation, because I really came out and my story is just authentically me. Ni Jeff Dietuaga. Na nenuma wa muno na athuri kwanza athuri nyoji kwa giratha. Jeff umothe ugithio guo uhutie comment ya Shafashi. Ukolirikanio game iko 2-0. Ndajire kuma corrected merago na ti 2 twere ni tumonaga heka gigatari ho game iko 3-0 ona kuri jira ade na ciana mugwanja, because that is not a crime. So
atirire ta hold on twara kahora munene twara kahora uguo wina kairete wina twana wira gwatire game ya life
ginya ndamanyira metaga ciana UCL
UCL na UEFA Champions League.
I'm telling you. So Lord. I get attacked. You know, I had, there's a time I was bullied. It became too much because this was really unwarranted. I don't want to mention the name, but I was being associated with this guy. And it came to a point where people are threatening me. And then they're saying, where Gishoka Gidimo Batha. Around that period. Adumakiuhani kodathi kurera biashien.
Mama
Chapo. So
no da very okiriga savasi na profit ni kifao ogikirita ko bia cia guthie kiria pate after pate thindo kura no nginya makoingirire.
Exactly. In fact at some point maugaga ndiendagisha fashi, and that is again to go to perception. Because kuna hii class ya watu wanaonanga if I look a certain way, kwa nini nifanye kazi kama hiyo? Ni ugegora riko giruga Jeff gorago hana ine na githikia mutu gohana uria gwenda
ataru tondu ndagucuthire ndiakiona we murure ugure ndago kuruga savasi
ona he mundu kira kiuga yani we ulinikata utesekange tu na pan. Exactly, but you see
ugire kaba we urugage ugire kaba heage no ciana cia kuika waikara wega
then and the fear of nejone karugano gakwa ni vast but I always say that the fear of ever going back to being fully dependent on someone inafanyanga igeshiria ona ne goreto na thina wa mugongo but igeshiria no ngome ugo njukire nemo ni kuruga naambia Mungu don't let it happen not now uhayage tu hinya wa kuruta wira na nditigirite kunoga nie ndairwo gicagi koguo wira na nie tutwaranago
so kuri mundu rabire biashara riu currently ni ira gororaga statistics kona tuhigite kambuni international companies nyingi muno Kenya tuhigite startups nyingi muno Kenya so maybe mundu rada kwambiriria ri chapati mistress, what would be your best advice?
A while back dekithirio ka interview giuria tiriri and maybe it's one of your friend Jeff Koinange aliniulizanga are you not afraid of the monkey see monkey do? I feel like entrepreneurs imefika point turenda guthie na ruhuho ukona unajia kwedia shafashi nani ano deonekana ta araumuka I want to do it. It's not passion driven. Una copy from another person's script. You may not be passionate about it. You may not have the know-how, but unataka kufanya because you want to get that overnight success. Na nikiojuga it's very important kuikaraga thiukera mundu realistically. Sometimes it's not as rosy as it looks. However, advice yangu kwa mtu yoyote mwenye anataka kuanzisha kazi don't wait until you have it all figured out. There are some things you will have to learn as you go. Ono kiedaga because ogioria modo umurie niki gitumite ndureka wira fulani egukwira maybe I don't have enough capital, which is okay, but have you also tried to look at channels where you can start small and grow gradually? Because she adoige matire dogo na digema blame todo. We are living in times where watu wanaonyesha ni kama kuna shortcut to success.
Yes.
Na nikiona una mundu ni kuigira yuko rokiruga shafashi kariguo uretuaga na wirogo niki surely
naguo mego koingi.
Exactly. So I would always encourage people na nijiraga ndo ni mokaga muno hata kwa inbox yangu ananiambia ona no ni ndegete ku encourage andu kuma hiko-ini. Honestly digira mundu uma waji kuruga shafashi tondu ndajiri kuruga na ikianjia kwendia. I always encourage people, be true to you and do something that you can gladly wake up to no tekuriho. Tondu ni njiraga andu taru ndathi gicagi na ni nguthi next week. Atumia acio matindihaga. I just find joy in cooking for them. So you have to really be passionate so that in as much as kuna low days, slow days when you don't feel like doing it, something pushes you to do it. Yes.
In business, the biashara yaku ni kinyite haria tungiuga riu ni a good business.
Yes.
Ni koragwo na mundu uroraga iguru kauga this I would like to be like this person. Na nuresi ni tukoragwo tuki appreciate ohoro wigie mikawa kana urugire tondu tarungira mabũrũri maria mathiite na mbere ri kuruta Italy, kuruta France, kuruta kungi turana nginya ni mokaga na makona kanya ga gukorwo mena TV
shows. Yes.
Kana itago food itago tayari koragwo
there's Food Network.
Food Network.
Yes.
Ndona tatukinyete how you as a country.
It's not even as a country. As developing countries and third world countries, let me put it that way because we are there. Skills and talents are underrated. Jeff nejugira na dashokera dithomeire kindu ugo jikaga, and cooking is an art. Art is so much underrated. And gwari horo art even as a creative, be it at a music, let me just say it. Sisi as Africans or that developing countries, tutiyuketie mawira ma hospitality.
Yes.
And that's why they are low paying. Ni ukona na ginyanda ria marugaga shafashi mundu ne ukwira ruga shafashi ta $600 muthenya na arari ho ciringi $203 ndirauga twira tondu thina ni gutuma mundu ucio arute wira ucio, but then there is a level of exploitation where somebody thinks it's not a job, because if it was really a job worth paying good, na ni we andu ria mariaga, because you can never go wrong with food. Ne to gira encourage na ciana citu igithi cukuru na hinya muno igo muciari akira mwana thomo gatwika murugi, because hatujafika hiyo level ya kuona ni wira ta mawira maria mangi. So arts and skills ni underrated and they are poorly compensated for, yet they actually the center stage economy. Tutikinyete how we really have a long way to go.
Yes. Do you think ni twagirana gukorwo tukinyete handu ha gukorwo na ithuĩ na network itu ya irio tariure?
Yes.
Mikimori tarudonire Muratina for such a long period of time. Muratina ndurare big no ru nitwikite big muno ati nurariririo muno na njirite kuno tagitwo handu Kamurati.
Ni nyendete Kamuratina.
Ono kuda kidogo
Todo in every community ni kwari na fermented beverage. Why? Todo it's natural and it's very good for the gut system. It's a na nikiona na yero, it's not illegal. So there is nothing wrong with the Muratina. And I don't go da kwa ni madhikuishi mona gata de ambassador wa Muratina alongside Shafashi.
Yes.
But it just goes to show you how much social media imeleta iyo kufungua watu macho, because from something that was never ever talked about. In fact, kwa dumeshiragia ni it's a cheap, cheap liquor. Yes. Kushira miakero Kamuratina ndukoro kigurika.
By the way, mundu joe lita ya lita 5 mugoraga atia?
Kido giri kana giri na 5
ucio ri lita 5 ndagi icio
6
no naguo ndirdanyo no njiguaga andu acio makiuga atiriri munyamo ucio ati ni top notch.
I would want to try.
Nguria mundu ucio
tukwenda
murata wako wetagwo Denda, ngumuria by the way na okene njiguite andu makiuga uyu wa Miratina no cio wake magwa ri ndingigura ngithatu
atia
ri teithano ngithaga sasa ngithatu no ndaigua andu manyu hauri ohana ta hari undu urahihwo ena kiganda enakio na ne aratwara mabũrũri ma South Africa.
Yes, because you see, if you think about it, I think it's the same way. Mbona sisi tunaletewa imported drinks, mbona sisi, and that is why all the time I feel like tutie food that yo kumenya ati we are so rich And that is why hata continent yetu inatembelewa sana. Yet all we need is here. So I would not be surprised if they were actually venye tunanunua wines aita zikiwa very expensive. Why not Muratina?
Wethi ati muthungura ukire guko arathondekera eta tokeyo. Eta tokeyo kana eta.
Yeye ndio account kana ndio edi.
Keyo. Simuna kunywa keyo hapa. Wewe na Wamboi mnakunywanga? Mnakunywanga wapi? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That was very
Thank you very much. So food business, as our last question, food business in Kenya. How big is it? Todo twali horo wa drinks, twali horo wa food. Ndone mundu ungi arutaga wira wa mburi. Agathondekera gaburi wega, gacina wega. Ndone ungi arutaga wira wa ng'ombe, gacina wega. Mitura is a business.
It is.
Samosa is a business. So how
a
is
booming one kwanza.
How is our food business? And how can we take it to the next level?
There's this guy, unfortunately, alipass, and alikuwa anafanyanga show ya CNN. Was it CNN? He used to do, was it about places unknown or something? Na niokete Kenya na enjoy mutura muno.
Yes.
There is so much untapped potential kwa biashara chakula, but the one thing that is imefanya watu wanaonanga it's a risky business ni kwa sababu don't just get in there for the money. Todo 90% of the time tunaambiangwa you are what you eat. Na in as much as neto negenagira kajo, there's something I support. Mudu othe already irio. Cook it as if you're cooking for yourself.
Yes.
Onakora dumoka makajira, mutu mdogo rutashafashi nini uguo. But you see, kuna watu wenye wanataka quality.
Yes.
Kwe mutura wa fara, kuri maugaga ni digira mutura utari wa fara fara huri twaganiro kuguna dogo ni shamaga wega.
Muno.
Kuri mundu tagirea. Kuri mundu tagirea. So for me I feel like you can never, and then food is a unifying factor. You can always try, because I said it's an art. Remember, you only need to know a way you can do it that will have people always looking forward to trying something from you. Yeah, so otherwise you will never. No ginyatorie, ona kugekia kana kure kware. Somebody somewhere will have to eat.
Nini ngeragia kuruga savasi muno, ndarugaga savasi tene. No ciakwa handu turonagirwo kidogo, hega kona koraga kidogo.
Yes.
Niki ndirabatana nigetha hote kuruga savasi icio cia ni round. Tutaru ni kuri marugaga ovo, maruga ihana oguo. Niki ndirabatara gukorwo nigetha ngiruge savasi njega. Number 2, nigetha savasi ciunure. Na itigacure ri. Kaira fatara ki tondu. Ciaku ndiona gatari kana ni kani uri kiundu hinde wathite Mombasa ndwi kindu wa okire nakio.
Juicy. That's a very I should mention, because for the longest time I've not loved Mombasa. Yeah, they have memories jorumuno. And I dared and I said, let me go. And this time at least it was worthwhile. Todadite obviously biashara, some product placement, but also the fact that joke haria gwirire patience. Shafashi to shafashi. Onogirora tukiruga muhaririria wa kindu gothe ni umataga. Ona keki kuri mundu ngiruga ore mo ni kumira ni kumagara ni guguita.
Naigwa muhaririria.
Muhaririria, it's very important to be honest. Na gwiciria uria gwirire passion. Ugiko wi mundu raruta ni sawa besha ni njega tondu ndirageria muno gwika ni ndageri gwika challenge just to bring Kenyans chapati on the map. Tondu ka record ka twina ko ka Guinness World of Record tikega. Shafashi cio ticio. Rune andu matina makijira we record de gifujo na cirugeirwo guku na we haha na ndorugire wega. So there is always this thing about chapati kwa sababu gluten. And I know it's such a big word. Twirago gluten free, gluten this, gluten that.
Yes.
So dukula makona gluten intolerance. But letting your dough sit ndio inaletanga chapati zinakuwa soft. Si layered, soft. When it comes to layers, now that is you. You can opt to ukada shafashi yaku udhodeke tumifira tu roll na wigire panini. But if you want to get that layered chapati, you have to go an extra mile. Iri andu mugaga ni tedious, ni digite mathaa makwa tondu no ginya. It's not a must, but it enhances cooking. So that is something I capitalized on. And with time I can only get better. It keeps getting better.
Ugo wauga patience.
No ginya.
Kabaririta ka patience. Wana patience. Wana patience.
Kabisa.
Wana passion.
Yes.
na rĩu gĩkoragwo na purpose na nyamũ ikarugwo kahora ikaharĩrio wega actually gwitũ ndatwacinagĩra cabaci
Chapo.
Mũrũdaga ihinda rĩa kũruga chapo na tondũ irĩ mũrĩo cirugagwo twacinagĩra mũno na ndũngĩenda kwĩhia mũthenya ũcio
I know na gwĩtũma nginya kũhe mawĩra
tondũ ũmenye akorwo ndwĩtũmĩte ũkũgũthwo kĩenyũ wetũma ũheo ng'ima
na wambe ũheo kahura rũgĩo
Hey, cabaci ni kwenda
cabaci. It's a big deal and it still is a big deal.
Chapati ipewe heshima yake. Tarĩu na kũndũ tarĩu gwitũ rĩ ona kũndũ njũĩ mũndũ mũrata wakwa rĩ anjĩraga kwao. Ona magetha mũirĩtu wa wĩra.
No nginya amenye
interview ya mbere.
Ni cabaci.
Ingia jikoni kada cabaci. Ciahana ta irauma cina kaũndũ gatarĩ kega. Thank you very much indeed. Twacokia ngatho wethie wega. No nginya cabaci tondũ rĩu rĩ tauni ndikuria nyingi muno tondũ kuria ithatũ
ne uta ri muhutu muno
tari muhutu muno yokeje ikarago gude igire
kogwa na kugwa ni gwa kumwikaga interview go Jeff
ndeuga atiriri nino gwako no gwiko ni ndiri
ni mwikaga interview go
gaca gwitika tutima nduthiri ni ngurire baba itu naenda ukuritu naenda mukawa uguo ni cabaci tinjuragaga muno kindu kiria tungihitania nawe ni ngima ngima yako ngiruga uru ni tukuona na tondu ni njega no riu ucio ugaga atiriri one of the interviews you do chapati. To cook chapatis. Waruga cio makankara hanini uguo ugathie ta kwahea.
Na ni food thagia ndo?
Yes. Haya.
I do. Ndakwenda na ifuku ndirandikiire andu and I will be launching it and I feel ni tondu andu ni marihaga. And that's what I'm telling you. Andu me exposed major ni megukwira matimaindaga kuriha guthoma because they have seen. Aiko mundu ejara kwira magura cabaci $3 $2. So you see they look at that and if okorwo ni mara convert akona ha hena ke opportunity so ne fundithete ginya andu me diaspora marugagira andu na makendia ku and so that is what actually inspired me kwandika ifuku nigetha uri otekota kurihira kirathire kana urenda guthomaga okorwo ni uri you are good at reading instructions that cookbook is for you no konyo we mundu rewendaga one on one I also do physical classes kogo gutire mundu ceragwo ikindu no ginya ukeruta no ko passionate na kindu but you need some guidance.
Ratware turehero machine ya guthondeka cabaci twarakarite muno.
Negoka. Machine yo tijuru. Let me talk about it because kuna again Africans we normalized kuchoka. Unajua tulifunzwa no pain no gain and it is true. But if you look at even the richest farmers,
Gen Z did akunoga.
Mechanizing and if you want to do something, you really have to accept the fact that AI, it's really okay, it to outsmart, but it has taken up jobs, right?
Yes.
The same way, if you really want to be productive, no gina from a point of effort, oka accept he oka damuture ne kuratumaga noga ne kuratumaga, you can mechanize such processes. There's nothing wrong with that. Na hiyo pia enhance hygiene. Todo cabaci ne irio ndongeri gora riko no na digaga ndwara ndaihu. Digekorwo na macuire riko because food is very sensitive. Na cabaci koragwo mechanical kila kindu no ginya moko. You really have to be hands on. So mechanizing some of these processes I support 100%.
All right. Nyonoga we ni kula cabaci ciaku. Nuriaga.
To be honest, tamakani deaga. Usino na hii ni mwili ya chapo. Yeah.
Nakula chapati.
Fio.
Very good. Ungikahikio ni muthuri na ndendete cabaci ugekaga atia riu? Tutaokiuria.
Ona no nyende mundu tekwenda cabaci. It would make me not question your love for me. Because kwa nini na nikishindwa kupika chapati shuali? Ugikireho ni cabaci alafu rĩrĩa ngare mu ni kuruga cabaci, what will happen?
Nicikaragirwo gutuigua kana no wana.
Ngwiciria mundu cio ndiamenyire ni atia cikaragirwo ndire ndona cikarirwo na ndikaragira ciakwa.
Ni kiuria kiega, very nice. Twarikia interview tu ne athira.
Okay.
Yes, twacokia ngatho muno.
Asante. Yeah.
Like Paul ntondo wa gafrakas kabite kahanikira kidogo 2021.
Yeah. It's God's timing, and I feel this was the right time.
Yes.
I also feel like if we did that interview that time, it would have come from a point of bitterness and hurt.
Yes.
But when you have healed, you don't look at it from a point of pain.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just reflection. Inshallah, it was what it was. Life moves on.
Is marriage a scam?
It's never a scam. I'm raising a daughter and a son.
Is love a scam?
No, it's not. Naambianga watu kuvunjika kwa mwiko si mwisho wa kupika.
Ndio.
Exactly. Wedo edeka.
Pendwa pendeka. Right. Thank you very much. Ucio ni Chapati Mistress kana Mukami kule kwa X uitaga
Chapati Mistress.
TikTok.
Chapati Mistress.
Kuna kuruga rinari?
Almost randomly every time.
Right. Thank you very much. Twashokia gatho na maundu ma biashara, maundu megi passion toga kindu kiria kidrivete Mukami muno kana Chapati Mistress ni wendi wake wa kuruga. Na ninge uga atiriri. Kaundu gaka kaundu gokaga akoroka tari kirathimo, a blessing in disguise. Aturaga mucii muthenya uria kwa hanire kuria mucii gwake akambia kuruga shabashi akengai akimurathimira hau. Ina mahinda mega wino ndurongirenda kuongerera
Ondo magena mathina mbere kwirorera Jeff Kuria TV and follow me social media platforms ciakwa na bashi yakwa ikoragwo hau. Let me be your Chapati plug.
Na riu ithuire tondu ni twaguteithia muno twagwika interview ithu gaturugira shabashi ri
anytime do need amenya in fact it's very good
2 3 4 5 mothe mko muraigana
10 that's good
unaongeza 10 kwani tulie mwemwe
asha digike murehere mwemwe
unakula moya anyway ni andu mokado kenda
okay
na otha na mande taru mothe mwareherwo ki sawa thank you very much asante sana airetu ni mwaigua andu ethe ni mwaigua werenda kwambire biashara ni waigua uguo niguo kwenda gubanga na nitwero horo wigie gwika kaundu consistently kana urumaniriirie ikondo ucio tegutigithiria utegukua ngoro. Asante sana. Etagwo Chapati Mistress. Asante.
Jeff Kuria TV, be a champion.